How to draw Pochita from Chainsaw Man, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a circle in the center of the page. We're going to want to draw two circles, one inside of the other. This will help us make the eye of Pochita. Now, a little to the left of the two circles that we just drew, let's draw a curved line that will look similar to a C. Next, attached to the curved line that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw the outline of the chainsaw. Now, on the inside of the shape that we just made, let's make a line that is the exact same as the shape that we just drew, but a little bit smaller. Around the outside of the first shape that we drew, let's go ahead and draw the edges of the chainsaw. We're going to do this by using small triangular shapes. All done with that step? If so, let's continue. For the next step, we're going to want to draw the top of the head. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. Fantastic! Now right below and a little to the left, let's go ahead and draw the mouth with the tongue hanging out of it. And if you are enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Next, once we're all done drawing the mouth, we're going to want to go right below the body and draw the first leg of Pochita. Now let's go ahead and connect the leg that we just drew to the mouth by drawing a simple curved line. Next, connected to the curved line that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw the second leg. Fantastic! So far this looks great. Now let's go over a little to the right and draw the two back legs. We will want to connect the first back leg that we draw to the two that we just drew on the left hand side. Wonderful. Now let's go ahead and draw the fourth and final leg. So as of right now, we have a big opening on the right hand side of Pochita. Let's draw a large curved line that will connect down to the legs to close this off. Now last but not least, before we color in today's drawing, let's go ahead and add in the final detail on the right hand side of the body. We can begin by drawing a simple curved line with a small triangular shape on the end of that. Right below the tail that I just drew, I'm now going to go ahead and draw a shape that is similar to what we currently have on the top of the head. Fantastic! Now let's go ahead and fill in the pupil completely black. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw Pochita from Chainsaw Man. If you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up right below. Don't forget, next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.